Hey guys, this is going to be a quick energy session, a clearing session, and a manifestation session where we are going to ground ourselves in the vibration of gratitude. So 'tis the season for gratitude, right? But also, if you know about energy, you know that when we're focused on gratitude, we feel good. We're very present in that moment. When we focus away from issues or perceived problems into a state of gratitude, we naturally raise our vibration. And by raising our vibration, then we quickly align with favorable circumstances, with different creations, different people who are for our highest and best good. So I encourage you to take these next few minutes and do this for yourself so that you can feel good and you can really just take a moment to focus on what is most important to you in this moment right now. So if you're in a space to do so, close your eyes. You don't have to. For those of you who know me, my name is Rachael. I'm a Reiki master, so I'm going to be starting with some Reiki symbols, and I'm going to be channeling high vibrational energy through me to you for whatever your needs are right now. So just start by taking a few deep breaths and really center yourself in the here and now. And we'll start by feeling grateful for where you are right now. Whether you're sitting on a couch or lying in your bed, wherever you are, can you be grateful for this space? And this is a Reiki symbol for protection, so I'm sending you protection and your space protection. And if you'd like to send energy to anybody else right now, just bring them to your mind's eye. Continue to breathe. Feel how supported you are by the bed or the chair, the seat that you're in. Supported by Mother Earth, and supported by the energy that is flowing to you right now. So I want you to take a moment and think of one person you are grateful for. This could be a person who is in your life currently from your past. This could be animals, somebody who's passed away. Center all of your focus into your heart as you bring this person or being to mind. What are you grateful for about this person? Picture your gratitude wrapping them up in loving energy. And if you want to call anybody else in who you're grateful for, take a few moments to do so. And for some of you, if you want to pick somebody who you've been estranged from, but you want them to know that you still care, Bring them to your mind's eye and send them your gracious, loving energy. I want you to think now of one thing that you are grateful for. This can be as small as a coffee maker or your favorite mug to as big as your house, your car. Something that brings you just a little joy or a lot of joy. Taking the focus away from maybe what you want and don't have yet to what you do have creates more of that energy in your life. And so often we take certain things for granted, like the pillow we lay our head on every night, our TV or a computer, our smartphone. Show gratitude for these luxuries. And I want you now to think of one situation that you are grateful for. This could be currently or in your past, just a happy memory. Put yourself into that situation in a state of gratitude. And lastly, I want you to think of a challenge. And can you find something to be grateful for within that challenge? There's always lessons and growth. Often challenges unfold into beautiful new beginnings. And now that we're in a high vibrational state, pick something that you want to see in your world, in your situation, something you want to create or manifest. And act as if right now it has happened. And show your gratitude for it. This gratitude is wrapping you and all of your situations, your manifestations up like a warm hug. I'm sending you some grounding energy now to bring you back to this time and space. And I would like for you to set a personal intention and how you will take this gratitude energy, this focus on gratitude, how you will take it with you moving forward for today, tomorrow, the rest of your days. So I've disconnected from your energy. Sit or lie where you are as long as you need, and when you're ready, get up and drink a glass of water to help ground in this energy. And be grateful for the clean water that you have to drink. Okay, so much love and light.